Are you a hair professional that cares about the health and optimization of your client's hair? Meaning making your client's hair as healthy as possible. And are you also a hair professional that actually wants to add hair to help hair loss with your clients? If you want to help any client, what I mean by any client, I mean any hair loss situation whatsoever, and you want to help them in a way that gives them fuller hair, but keeps their own existing hair safe and healthy at the same time, there's one method, there's one technology that'll do this, and that is the microstrand technology. So notice this. Upon contact of the skin of the scalp, you might have heard or seen this before, it disappears. One hair at a time is added onto that. That becomes this. One of many examples of the finished product. And when this is blended between their own hair, it disappears into their own hair. They have full access to their scalp and they're using their own hair. Instead of putting something on top or covering, imagine adding hair in between your client's hair. Now, this is full-time hair, meaning they wake up with it, they go in the shower with it, they swim with it. It's their own hair. No more taking hair on and putting hair off. And they're gonna need a professional like you to design this for them. Now, here's the important thing. We're offering a free, personalized website offering this technology that's gonna have your name in it and your phone number and email and text within it. So when you share it with your clients or your future clients, they're going to be able to go on this website, see a video that explains all about this technology, and then they're going to be able to go to a shop page and see all the options. Fill in just the bangs, fill in just the center top, just the back top, the whole top, the top and the sides, the whole head. Have more length, don't have more length. Fill in 10% more hair, fill in 100% more hair. It's more flexible than any other technology in the world. And it's the only technology in the world that's gonna actually keep their own hair safe. Here's how you can offer it. For a limited time to a limited amount of hair professionals, we're offering this free personalized website where you'll share the website. People will be able to learn all about this and they'll contact you directly. So all you have to do is press the button below to register for this free website. It doesn't cost anything. You should at least get the free website and test it and show clients and see what they think. It's worth it.